in front of the bulldozer, right? And they said, wait, this is Duwamish land. Look at what we're finding here, right? So make those connections with what we're learning in the classroom.
What is in the water? What's in the water that might be bad, not good for fish, not good maybe for people?
Every time I'm on the boat and we go by, I start to feel a little bit something in the back of my throat.
That's really breathe out into 4 major tests. So everyone take a look at what we're going to measure. So everyone 5 and 6, do you agree? Yeah, that's the try to write